Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will give you a demonstration about a calendar visualization in Tableau. Some of my friends actually asked me how to do the calendar visualization. It is basically very interesting and very easy to do it. We will do it in some couple of minutes, inshallah. If you have any comments regarding to the same topic, you can write me in the comment section. The next you will see my computer screen. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you want to see more videos similar to this. Thank you so much. So hi guys, this is my computer screen. So let's begin. In the end of tutorial, you will able to do something similar to this. This is a calendar visualization, daily profit and loss chart. Statistics basically, you can just click on any specific month and you can see the results. What I am doing it here, we are showing the green color when we have the highest profit and the red color where we have the losses actually. So this is something very interesting which helped visualize the uh, complete month and see where you have profit and where you have loss. So let's see quickly how we can do it. So open a new sheet. uh, in the new sheet we'll use only date field, order date. In the columns here I can convert it into the let's say week numbers. No, sorry, we'll go more weekdays, and I will just repeat this exercise, drag it down here, or if you want you can just bring it again, order date, into the rows, and here instead of these you can come here and choose week number. Now you see you have week number and the days, and we need a filter here, order date. We can choose a filter for month and year and say next and select all, say OK, and then right click here, say show filter, and from the show filter you can just uh, choose single value list. So now you can choose a specific month only for a specific year. So this way you can have this visualization, you can hide the label here. And now to make it similar to the calendar, what we'll do, we'll take the order date into the labels text basically, and here instead of year we'll change it to day. So now we have all the days for this particular month arranged in a week number and the day name. So now we need to make it fill all this block for a specific coloring based on the profit. So we'll take the profit, uh, here it is profit, and leave it onto the colors, and you just need to change the chart type into the squares. So now we have our calendar visualization ready. To make it bigger or fit into the screen, you just come here and say entire view. And to make it more rich, more specific, meaningful, we'll go to the color mark card, edit color, and then choose a red and green color and say apply. So now our visualization is almost ready. Some changes, if you want to make it more to say uh, uh, more specific or more clean, so you can just change the format and styling. So I'll just do some of the styling, you see, and you can just choose the we can just go to the labels, and from here we can make it bold, and from here we can make it center, and then again center. And these labels also we can make it Tableau medium, color, bold, you see, similar to the week labels, format, medium, bold. And we can even give some some borders as well. So you can choose these borders to make it nice and clean, even for the rows. Yeah, so even if this, you can hide this label as well. And here you can write calendar visualization. it's up to you whatever name you want to give, and you just double click one more time and make it bold, give a specific style, color, and that's all. And you can add another dashboard and just drag the newly created sheet. See, so that's how you can complete your visualization very quickly in couple of minutes, and you can just choose whatever month you like and see the difference. I hope you like the video, and if you guys have any comment related to the same topic or you need any specific visualization, please write me in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you in the next video. Thank you so much.